Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be learning about how you can download and install Autodock Vina in your computer. So to do that, first you have to go to your browser and type Autodock Vina. The first link that you will see will be from the Scripps Institute. They are the ones who created Autodock Vina. So open the link, go to downloads. On the download page, you will see multiple downloading options. And depending on the type of operating system that you are using, you can either go for Linux, Mac, or Windows. Additionally, you can also download the required files from the GitHub repository. But for today's video, I will be using this link that is for downloading the Autodock Vina for Windows. Click on the link, open the file, and as you try to open the file, you can get an error saying that the files may contain viruses. Just click on OK. Now I'm getting the option for either repairing Vina or removing Vina. I'm getting the option for repairing Vina and not installing it because I already have installed Autodock Vina previously in my computer. So I will be going with repair. Click on finish and click on close. Now if you go to your desktop, you will find the icon for Autodock tools present there. Additionally, if you want to know the location where the files for Autodock tools are located in your computer, you can go to this PC, then C drive, then program files x86. Here you will see a folder with the name the Scripps Research Institute. Open it, go to Vina, and here you will see all the required files, that is the application file and the license file. Now that Autodock tools has been installed correctly, second thing that you should do is again go to your browser and type mgl tools. The first link will be again from the Scripps Institute. Open the link. So why are we installing mgl tools is it helps you to visualize your protein and analyze the molecular structure of the protein. So Autodock tools by itself only helps in docking the protein and ligand. But if you also want to know the binding residues that are forming the binding pocket and the type of alpha helices where they are present, where beta sheets are present, you can use the MGL tools for that. So to download the MGL tools, go to downloads. On the download page, you will see two versions, that is version 1.5.7 and 1.5.6. I will be using the latest one. And for Windows, I will be clicking on the link right beside it, that is this one. So click on the link. Now that the file has been downloaded, we will open the file. Then click on next, accept the license agreement, click on yes. At this point, if you want to change the location of the destination folder, you can do that, but I will be going with this one. Click on next, click on OK, and by default, MGL Tools checks every box that is for launching PMV. PMV stands for Python Molecule Viewer. It is the application that helps you to visualize the protein and creating desktop shortcut. And last is creating a quick launch shortcut. So if you want, you can uncheck any of the books, but for now, I will be going with the default settings and click on finish. So PMV or Python Molecule Viewer is basically a Python executable file which helps you to actually visualize the protein. This is the interface or GUI of the PMV, and we will be covering everything about it in the coming videos. For this video, just one thing that I would like to mention is that this icon that you see here is for Autodock tools, and if I click on it, ADT 4.2 or Autodock tools 4.2 will be loaded, and now ligand, grid, docking, etc. all of these parameters become available to you, and this means that now you are able to dock your protein using the PMV as well as analyze it. So thank you for watching the video, and we will be covering everything about the PMV in the coming videos. So stay tuned for more such videos.